Have you ever stood next to someone in an elevator and felt your brain become completely empty?
Completely empty. No words, no ideas, just silence.
And you think, say something, just say something.
And your brain says, no.
Today, we are going to talk about small talk.
Yes, small talk. Those short, simple conversations we have every day.
Small talk can feel scary, but it does not have to be scary.
It can be simple. It can be natural. It can even be fun.
And today, we will help you feel calm and confident when you make small talk.
We will speak slowly. We will repeat important phrases. And we will practice together.
So, take a deep breath
Relax your shoulders.
and let's begin.
Emma, what is small talk?
Good question. Small talk is short, polite conversation. It is not deep, it is not serious, it is light and friendly.
Yes, we do small talk with strangers, we do small talk with coworkers, we do small talk with neighbors.
For example, in an elevator, at a bus stop, before a meeting, at a party.
Small talk helps us connect. The word connect means to build a friendly relationship.
Even a small connection is important.
Yes, a small smile, a short sentence, a simple question.
Many English learners worry. They think, my English is not perfect.
But small talk does not need perfect English.
It needs simple English, clear English, friendly English.
That's right.
Let's start with the most basic small talk situation.
Saying hello.
Yes, saying hello.
There are many ways to say hello.
We can say hi,
Hello.
hey, good morning,
Good afternoon.
good evening.
Let's practice together.
Repeat after us.
Hi.
Hello,
Good morning.
good afternoon.
Good evening.
Very good.
Notice our pronunciation. Good morning. The G is soft. Good morning.
Not good morning. Slow down. Good morning.
You can smile when you say it.
Yes, your smile is part of your language.
Now, after we say hello, we often ask a simple question.
The most common question in English is,
How are you?
yes, how are you?
This question does not always mean, tell me your life story.
No, it is often just polite.
So the answer can be simple.
I'm good.
I'm fine.
I'm doing well.
Pretty good.
Let's practice.
Repeat after us.
How are you?
I'm good.
I'm fine.
I'm doing well.
Pretty good.
Great.
Notice the pronunciation of I'm. It is short. I'm, not I am.
Just I'm.
Now let's do a short role play.
I'll start.
Okay.
Hi, Tom. How are you?
Hi, Emma. I'm good. How about you?
I'm doing well, thanks.
That's it. Very simple.
Did you hear Tom's question? How about you?
This means, and you?
It is polite to ask back.
Always try to ask back.
It shows interest.
It shows respect.
Now imagine you are at work. You see a coworker in the hallway.
What would you say?
Maybe, good morning. How's it going?
How's it going is another common small talk question.
It means, how are things?
Let's practice that phrase.
Repeat after us.
How's it going?
How's it going?
Notice the sound. How's it going? It connects. How's it going?
Very natural, very smooth.
Now I'll ask you, Emma.
Okay,
Hey, Emma, how's it going?
it's going well. I'm a little busy today.
That's a great answer. You gave a little information.
Yes, small talk answers can be short, but you can add a little detail.
For example, I'm good, just a bit tired.
Pretty good, it's been a long day.
I'm fine, just busy with work.
These short details help the conversation continue.
They give the other person something to talk about.
If you say, I'm good and nothing more, the conversation may stop.
But if you say, I'm good, just a bit tired, I can ask, oh, why are you tired?
Exactly.
Let's practice adding a small detail.
Repeat after us.
I'm good, just a bit tired.
I'm fine. It's been a long day.
I'm doing well, just busy with work.
Very good.
Now let's talk about small talk topics.
Yes, what can we talk about?
Safe topics.
What does safe mean here?
Safe means not too personal, not too serious.
Good, safe topics are the weather.
Yes, the weather is classic small talk.
Some people say talking about the weather is boring.
But it works.
It works because everyone experiences weather.
Let's try some weather sentences.
It's really hot today.
It's cold this morning.
It's raining again.
Beautiful day, isn't it?
That last one is interesting, isn't it?
Yes, it is a tag question.
A tag question is a short question at the end.
Beautiful day, isn't it?
It invites the other person to agree.
Let's practice.
Repeat after us.
It's really hot today.
It's cold this morning.
It's raining again.
Beautiful day, isn't it?
Notice the rising tone at the end, isn't it?
Your voice goes up a little.
Now let's role play at a bus stop.
I'll be waiting for the bus.
I'll stand next to you.
Okay.
Wow, it's really cold this morning.
Yes, it is. I didn't expect it to be this cold.
Me neither. I should have brought gloves.
Same here.
See? Simple, natural.
And friendly.
Another safe topic is daily life.
Yes. For example, did you have a busy day?
Or any plans for the weekend?
Any plans means, do you have something planned?
Let's practice.
Repeat after us.
Any plans for the weekend?
Do you have any plans for tonight?
Did you have a busy day?
Now, I'll ask you, Tom. Any plans for the weekend?
Not much. I might just relax at home. How about you?
I'm meeting a friend for coffee.
That sounds nice.
That sounds nice is a good small talk phrase.
Yes, it shows interest and kindness.
Repeat after us.
That sounds nice.
That sounds fun.
That sounds interesting.
Good.
Now let's talk about small talk at a party,
Parties can feel stressful.
especially if you don't know many people.
You walk in, you hold your drink, you look around.
And you think, who do I talk to?
First, breathe.
Then smile.
Then, start simple.
For example, hi, I'm Tom. I don't think we've met.
That's a great sentence.
Let's break it down. I don't think we've met. This means maybe we have not met before.
It is polite, it is soft.
Repeat after us.
Hi, I'm Emma. I don't think we've met.
Nice to meet you.
What brings you here tonight?
What brings you here means why are you here?
Let's role play.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Emma. I don't think we've met.
Hi, Emma. I'm Tom. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. What brings you here tonight?
I'm a friend of the host.
Oh, nice. How do you know her?
We work together.
See, one simple question leads to another.
That is how small talk grows.
Now let's talk about something important.
Listening.
Yes, small talk is not only speaking.
It is also listening.
When someone answers you, listen carefully.
Nod your head.
Say small reactions like, oh, really?
That's great.
I see.
Wow.
These are called back-channel responses.
Back channel means short responses while listening.
Repeat after us.
Oh, really?
That's great.
I see.
Wow.
These small words keep the conversation alive.
Now let's imagine another situation.
You are in an elevator at work.
The door closes. It is quiet.
Just you and one coworker.
What would you say?
Maybe, long day, huh?
Huh is a casual way to say, isn't it?
Yes. Long day, huh?
Or, almost Friday,
That's a good one.
especially on Thursday.
Let's practice.
Repeat after us.
Long day, huh?
Almost Friday.
We're almost there.
These phrases are short and friendly.
And remember, silence is okay too.
Yes, not every moment needs words.
That is important for your confidence.
If you try and the conversation is short, that is okay.
You tried. That is success.
Now let's practice a longer role play.
Okay.
We are coworkers in the office kitchen.
I'm making coffee.
I walk in.
Ready.
Morning, Tom.
Morning, Emma. How's it going?
Pretty good. Just trying to wake up.
I know the feeling. Need coffee?
Definitely.
Busy day today?
A little. I have 2 meetings this afternoon.
Oh, good luck with that.
Thanks. How about you?
Just emails. Lots of emails.
Sounds exciting.
Very exciting.
That was a little joke.
Yes, light humor is good in small talk.
Not too strong, not too personal.
Just light and friendly.
Now let's slow down and review some key phrases.
Repeat after us.
How are you?
How's it going?
Any plans for the weekend?
Beautiful day, isn't it?
I don't think we've met.
Nice to meet you.
That sounds nice.
Long day, huh?
Very good.
Now, I want to ask our listeners something.
Yes,
Imagine you are at a new job.
it is your first day.
You sit next to a new coworker.
What would you say?
Think about it.
Maybe you would say, "Hi, I'm new here.
It's my first day.
I'm still learning everyone's name."
These are honest and friendly sentences.
Repeat after us.
Hi, I'm new here.
It's my first day.
I'm still learning everyone's name.
Very natural.
Remember, you do not need big vocabulary.
Simple words are powerful.
Confidence comes from practice.
And from kindness to yourself.
If you make a mistake, it is okay.
People care more about your attitude than your grammar.
Yes, a warm smile is stronger than perfect grammar.
Before we continue, let's practice pronunciation of a few important words.
Good idea.
Comfortable.
Many learners say comfortable.
But in natural speech, it is comfortable.
Comfortable.
Repeat after us.
Comfortable.
Comfortable.
Another word is probably.
Not probably.
Just probably.
Probably.
Repeat after us.
Probably.
Probably.
These small pronunciation tips help you sound more natural.
But remember, clear is more important than perfect.
Now let's talk about ending small talk politely.
Yes, ending is important too.
You cannot talk forever.
Sometimes you need to leave.
You can say, "Well, it was nice talking to you.
I should get going.
I'll let you get back to work."
See you around.
Repeat after us.
It was nice talking to you.
I should get going.
I'll let you get back to work.
See you around.
These phrases are polite and natural.
Now, let's do one more full small talk example.
Okay.
We are neighbors.
We meet outside our building.
Hi, Tom.
Hi, Emma. How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
Doing well. Beautiful day, isn't it?
It really is. Finally, some sunshine.
Yes, the weather has been crazy lately.
I know. So much rain.
Any plans for the weekend?
Not much. Just relaxing at home. You?
I might go hiking if the weather stays nice.
That sounds fun.
Yeah, I hope so.
Well, it was nice talking to you.
You too. See you around.
See? Simple, friendly, natural.
Small talk is not about being interesting.
It is about being kind.
It is about opening a small door.
A small door to connection.
And the more you practice, the easier it becomes.
So next time you are in an elevator
Or at a party,
or at work,
try one simple sentence.
just one.
Hi, how are you?
And smile.
You can do this.
We believe in you.
And remember,
Small talk is small.
But its impact can be big.
Take a deep breath.
Relax.
and go start your next small conversation.
We'll be right here, practicing with you.
Always.
See you next time.
See you.